Hello there, this is Derek again, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm just going to show you how you're going to be able to become a beta tester for Signal Private Messenger. So becoming a beta tester is actually going to give you a future update of this application, and I know a lot of people want to get their hands on new updates of applications, and also it will allow you to just tell the developer anything you feel you want to tell them in the application, or how they are going to make the application better. So this is a great opportunity to share your ideas and then tell them the features you feel you want it to be visible in this application. So you can choose to either join or leave the application. You can see leave right here because I'm already a tester, so I'm not going to leave this app because I want to have a lot of updates or future updates of this application. So if you want to become a beta tester, stick around in this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. So basically this is what you are going to do. First of all, you have to go to your app store. I'm using an Android phone right now, Google Pixel 3 XL, and then you search for Signal, which is trending at the moment. So you're going to see it like this, and then right now you see I'm not using the beta version, and you can see it right here. So Signal Messenger, right? So you can see it's on in beta version right now. So you see what is new right here. That is the only thing you're going to see. But when you become a beta tester, you're going to see a notification or a note right there telling you you're going to see future updates in this beta version. So what you have to do is you scroll down, right, and then you're going to see development contacts and then join the beta version. So when you read what is beneath the join the beta version is try new features before they are officially released and give your feedback to the developer. So that is perfect. You're going to get your hands on new updates that are going to come to this app before it gets to the public or it gets to the larger audience. So what you're going to do is you hit on join, and then it is just going to add you to the beta, and adding your account to the program, it may take a few minutes. So what you have to do is you just hit on it and then you wait, and it's going to tell you to update the app, and that is what you need to do. So I'm going to wait for this to get done, and then I'm going to update the app, and we are going to see the beta popped up right here. So stick around and don't forget to like this video and then share it to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. So once you are done with whatever steps I showed you, this is how your app is going to look like. So you're going to see beta right beside the messenger, and what you have to do before using the app is just hit on update to just update your app, and then you are good to go. So you're going to see a notification right here which shows that you are a beta tester for this app. Future updates will include beta versions. So you know you are still going to be a beta tester if there is any update of this app. So what we are going to do next is we hit on update, and then it's going to update the application right away, and then we are good to go to use our application. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the settings of this application, I'm going to leave the link in my description, or the video is the one at the top right here, and then you just hit on it and then you watch how you're going to know more about this application. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them, and then catch you in the next one.